How to reset your YouTube recommendations feed. Okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are on YouTube and you are logged into your account. And this homepage right here is going to be your recommendations feed. And if there's some videos on there that doesn't really sit within your interests, maybe you need to go and have a little bit of a reset. And it's really simple to do. All you need to do is navigate to your account name up in the top right hand corner and click on the circle. From here you scroll down to your data in YouTube, click that. And then you want to scroll down to where it says watch history. So basically this is going to show all of the recent videos that you have watched on your account. Now what we need to do is delete all of these so YouTube has no data on what to recommend you and they can start recommending you on the recent things that you have been watching from now on. To be able to do this, all you need to do is go over to manage your YouTube watch history, click on that, go over to delete, and then you want to delete all time. What will happen now is YouTube will do a bit of a confirmation screen just to make sure that you are definitely okay with deleting your watch history. And if you are, you go ahead and click delete. You'll then get a confirmation screen, and when you click got it, you'll notice that you have no activity in your account. And if you browse to YouTube again, you'll be able to see that you've got no more recommendations in your feed. And when you start searching for videos, this will start to populate. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.